Hi, everybody. We've missed everybody so much. It's been now like 6 weeks since we have seen each other, or 5. I've lost track. But something I've realized is that the bugs in my garden are everywhere. Today I'm outside so you can see my lemon tree, and I have my artichoke. You can see my artichoke plant, and they were full of bugs. And that reminded me of some books that my son and daughter loved when I read it to them. So I thought I could read it to you. It's called Bugs. Oh, let's make sure it's there we go. Sometimes we can find fussy bugs, and fussy bugs are soft. Sometimes you can see feathery bugs. Can you see the feathers? Sometimes you see lacy bugs. And when you do the laces, they are a little bit scratchy. Sometimes you find some leathery bugs. And the leathery bug in this case is long and leathery. Huh? Sometimes you can see glittery bugs and they are shiny. They shine and shine. Sometimes you can find fluffy. Fluffy. I bet you can read that word now. Bugs, you're right. Bugs. 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 Some fluffy bugs. Oh, sometimes you hear my dog too, coming to be part of our reading. Hi, Tara. Come here. Say hi to the book reading. Say here. Hi. That's my doggie. She's a fluffy bug, huh? Sometimes you find sticky. Remember the word? Bugs. You got it. Let's see. Oh, stick, 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 stick. Sometimes you can find puffy bugs. And puffy bugs, when you touch them, they kind of go in and out, huh? Puffy bugs. Sometimes you find velvety bugs. And velvety bugs are really, really soft. Sometimes you find wrinkly. Let's see if you can do it. You got it. Bugs. And those almost make a sound, huh? Sometimes you can find bristly bugs, and bristly bugs are a little bit pinchy too. Sometimes you can find crinkly. Can you say it? What comes now? You got it. Crinkly bugs. Now, I have an idea for you at home. Do you think you can find bugs? If you cannot go outside, I can assure you inside you can find a few little bugs, and then try to find a word that goes with them. Are they fussy, feathery, lacy, leathery, glittery, fluffy, sticky, or puffy, velvety or wrinkly, or bristly or crinkly, or maybe they're a different texture? Tell me about what you find. I missed you.